Hi, welcome back. This week I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to be making anything today, but I am going to be repurposing my historical clothing into modern looks and pairing them with this beautiful jewelry which has been provided by today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa sent me the Hannah necklace, which is a beautiful delicate mother of pearl with a little flower etched in the center. They also sent the Oshi earrings, which have tiny little stars at the bottom and give me sort of Art Nouveau vibes. They also sent the Temple Green set, which is one gold necklace with a beautiful green pendant and a coordinating chain. And they really give me some Tudor vibes. Ana Luisa is dedicated to providing jewelry that is not only affordable, but is sustainable. They're carbon neutral and are climate neutral certified, which means that they take responsibility for the carbon emissions during the entire supply chain. Yes, that's everything from the mining to the production and the shipping of these pieces. All of their pieces are also water neutral, and they focus on circularity, making sure that they recycle the raw materials they use, and if there's ever a piece that doesn't meet their super high standards of quality, they're donated to Dress for Success, an organization which is dedicated to empowering women across the US. That keeps a ton of jewelry out of landfills. Sustainability is part of their mission, so they don't create throwaway products, and they don't create throwaway packaging. It's all either recyclable or, like this beautiful, high-quality, reusable. I will be turning this into an adorable little sewing kit and potentially using this one as a little baby wallet. So cute! More importantly, to keep the brand as sustainable as possible, only limited quantities of these products are made, so there's not a lot of extra waste, which, as we know, is a huge problem with fashion, and is not personally something that I would like to support. They're committed to making sustainable jewelry, and although the pieces are high quality, they start at just $39. And if you use my code KATE at checkout, you'll save 10% on your purchase. So let's get into styling some historical pieces in modern outfits, because waste not, want not. If you're going to put a lot of time and effort into making clothing, you might as well wear them around in the real world. First up we have the Bridgerton dress. This is a pink polyester confection inspired by the TV show Bridgerton. It's a Regency dress based off a Simplicity and American Duchess pattern. You know, for something that I found as a bridal set in a dumpster, I think it turned out pretty well. Not historically accurate by any means, but then neither was Bridgerton. I paired this with the Hannah necklace, which is a beautiful mother of pearl on gold with a tiny little rose in the middle. I also used the chain from the Temple Green set. I decided to wear this as a shrug and pair it with some high heels and a shorter dress to make it a little bit more modern and, you know, fabulous. I also paired it with a purse that I got at an estate sale for $4, which ended up being an actual vintage piece from the 1940s, which was pretty cool. This is probably a little bit more fabulous than anything I would wear on an everyday basis, but it's pretty fun. Next is the 18th century petticoat, also made off of a Simplicity American Duchess pattern. As you saw in the video where I made it, you can turn it into a Hobbit looking dress pretty easily by tying it up differently. This has been the coziest, comfiest thing that I've made so far. I paired it with the Temple Green set because the green and gold went really well with the green and gold in the skirt. I paired it with a purse that I thrifted from the Goodwill outlets for like $1.20 a pound, so it's probably less than $1, and a belt to cinch it in at the waist. I also added in some peep toe high heels and a gray cardigan. And I think this is a pretty cozy fall or winter look. This has got to be one of the favorite outfits that I've made so far. It's the kirtle based on the pattern in the Tudor tailor, which I made out of an old curtain from Goodwill, which has kind of got a tapestry style look. I wasn't intending to make something so elaborate, but this pattern was just so beautiful, and I was able to make the kirtle out of just one curtain panel. And frankly, I'm obsessed with it and cannot wait to wear it to a Renaissance fair. I thought the gold and green of the Temple Green set went so perfectly with this fabric, so that's what I paired it and many, many other Tudor looks with because it's just got a Tudor vibe. I made the bodice detachable from the skirt specifically so that I could wear it as a sort of corset top. It is a little low and scandalous, but with some high-waisted jeans, black purse, and black boots, I think it's a pretty stylish going out look. I'm gonna really need you to bear with me on this one. This was the English-style gown that I made from the pattern in the Tudor Tailor. I made it out of an old sun-bleached velvety sort of curtain that I got from the Goodwill. This is a Tudor look, so naturally I paired it with the Temple Green set. Okay, so this is why I told you have to bear with me. I made some quilted pearl encrusted sleeves to go with this, and they're pinned in place. I put it over a white sweater with jeans and boots and that vintage purse. And this is a really strange look, but I think it works. Next, we're going for the Lizzie Bennet moment with the Lizzie Bennet dress from the 2005 version of Pride and Prejudice. Cordially invited to fight me if you don't like that one. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have actually worn this dress in public before without the shirt, just for funsies. I paired this with a Hannah necklace, which has probably got to be my favorite because it's so delicate. All I did was remove the puffy pirate shirt, add some fake Birkenstocks, and there you go, crunchy munchy granola, you're ready to go. You can add a hat on, and then you will absolutely forget how to pose. And I don't know why there's a teacup. I'm so sorry, this really spiraled. But I think it's a really nice maxi dress and kind of cottagecore. Finally, we have stays, because they're basically a top, right? The Simplicity American Duchess stays, which were my first and surprisingly best attempt at stay making. I use these all the time for back support, and they're just so freaking comfortable. I paired this with the chain from the Temple Green set because I wanted something really simple and minimalist. I paired the stays with the new shift that I've made, wore it off the shoulder, and added a linen skirt from Ann Taylor. Also, some very comfortable high heels that my mom gave me. And once again, the vintage estate sale purse makes an appearance. Honestly, I would wear this look all the time. I think I'm obsessed with it. This is my new favorite look. This is gonna be what I live in from now on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that inspired you to create some historically inspired ensembles using some of the costumes or historical pieces that you've already created, or, plan to create. If you want to get any of the beautiful pieces of jewelry you saw in this video, I'll link in the description to Ana Luisa's website, and remember, if you use the code KATE at checkout, you can get 10% off your order. And in the meantime, keep making your extremely niche clothing work in everyday situations. Wait, that's not what I usually say. And in the meantime, keep making. That was really dumb.